Good morning, listeners. So, this is a second video of MCQ from chapter 6 Life Process. Let's start. So, the digestion of food complete in small intestine. What is the role? What is the site of respiration in human cell, that is stomata? Arteries and veins are connected by a network of extremely narrow tube called capillaries. Respiratory pigment in human being is hemoglobin. Next question number 15 to 30. In amoeba, the food is digested in food vacuole. Next question. Protein after digestion are converted into amino acids. Deoxygenated blood flows in the this is pulmonary arteries and vena cava both. Deoxygenated blood flows through vena cava also and pulmonary artery also. Both answers are correct. Pulmonary vein brings blood from the heart to the left atrium of the heart. Pulmonary vein brings blood from lungs to heart. The correct sequence of anaerobic respiration in yeast. In anaerobic respiration, there is production of ethanol, glucose, cytoplasm. In yeast, there is the respiration also occurs in the cytoplasm. So answer D is correct. There is no special mitochondria. Next one, which blood vessel brings oxygenated blood to the heart? This is pulmonary vein. The procedure of removing nitrogenous waste product from the blood through an artificial kidney, that is dialysis. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Organism grow with time. This is correct. Organism must repair and maintain its their structure. Correct. Movement of molecules does not take place among cells. It is also correct. Energy is essential for life process. So this is also correct statement. Movement of molecule does not take place. Yes, movement of molecules takes place. So statement C is wrong. This is incorrect. Next question you can see. This is question number 38. Which of the following equation is the summary of photosynthesis? 6CO2, 6H2O. This is sunlight, chlorophyll, glucose, O2. There is no CO2 again forms. So option C is correct. Listen students. 6CO2, 12H2O, chlorophyll, sunlight give rise to glucose, 1 glucose molecule, 6 oxygen molecules and 6 water molecules. This is correct statement. Which part of the leaf shown on the right will have starch when exposed to sunlight? इनमें से किस पार्ट में स्टार्च प्रेजेंट होगा जब ये लीफ सनलाइट की तरफ शो की जाए? So starch will synthesize in a uncovered part. A and B both are uncovered. So option D is correct because only the C part is covered under the leaf, under the paper strip. The next question is, to test the presence of starch in a leaf is boiled in alcohol for a few minutes using a water bath. It is essential because alcohol is dissolve the chlorophyll and decolorize the leaf. To present the test of starch. So this answer is correct. Next question. A black strip of paper was clipped on the de-starched leaf in a potted plant. एक गमले में जो पौधा है उस पर de-starch किया जाता है उसकी लीव्स को और उसे एक पेपर स्ट्रिप से ढक दिया जाता है to cover a part of the leaf. The plant then exposed to sunlight. उसके बाद उस प्लांट को सनलाइट में रखा जाता है for a few hours. The paper strip was removed and the leaf tested for stars. On adding iodine solution to the leaf, the uncovered part of the leaf will become blue black. जो uncovered है उसमें स्टार्च बनेगा और आयोडीन डालने पर ब्लू ब्लैक कलर शो करेगा. ये ऑप्शन सही है. टाइम कलर ऑफ आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन रिमेन अनचेंज, ये गलत है. एंटायर लीफ टर्न ब्लू ब्लैक, ये गलत है. So this both statement are wrong. This third statement, the covered part of the leaf will blue black. There is a no starch synthesis, no blue black color will form. Next question, section B. Next question number 42. So the question is, in the experiment demonstrating respiration in germinating seed, KOH is used to absorb water vapors released by the seed. This option C is correct. The shape of the yeast cell is both oval or spherical, both type. Next, question number 44. During the course of experiment to determine the percentage of water absorbed by resin, the resins are weighed 2 times before soaking and after soaking of 3 hours. Next question. And the organisms which are under debate of being alive or not. These are virus. Which of the following is an example of ectoparasite? That is, ectoparasite is leech. The process by which amoeba takes food by the help of pseudopodia. The process पूछा गया, that is pinocytosis. The structure is pseudopodia but process is pinocytosis. So which of the following is released by the action of lipase on fat? Lipase changes the fat into fatty acid and glycerol. Option C is correct. Which of the following product is released during respiration in muscle cells? Muscles, it will produce lactic acid. And then to set up experiment to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis, experiment leaves should be taken for use from it is a flowering, any flowering new must, or this is, so light is necessary for plant, we can use healthy plant growing on the ground. Next, question number 51. After adding iodine solution, the region of leaf under the black strip remains colorless. Under the black strip remains colorless because there is that part does not receive sunlight and no glucose and starch will form. Next part, the figure which does not illustrate any of the step of the experiment to show that light is necessary for photosynthesis. Experiment which does not illustrate any of the step experiment to show that light is necessary. So this is transparent strip, inside water, covered strip, uncovered plants. So you can answer this part which is does not show light is necessary. So this can show, figure 1 can show because this is uncovered part. This also can show because this is covered part. But there is no mention about details about what is the shown in diagram in third and fourth. So first and fourth can show the photosynthesis is necessary. Third also can show because there is only one step, other part are observed. So this is under the water, this will not show. Figure number 2 will not show. This is uncovered, this also is uncovered. The third can show only, so option D is correct. because this is uncovered part, and this also dipped in the water, but this part can show that photosynthesis is necessary because one part is covered and another part is uncovered. Today's this video is up to here. Revise it, students, it will help you.